everyone and welcome to another video in which we will cover the latest FC Barcelona news. Let's start with Gavi. He is still in recovery and we saw some work of him on the training field. I would have hoped for him to be fully fit before the start of next season, but that is totally out of the question now. The plan is not to rush anything and handle this real slow. In November he is expected to train with the group again and we won't be seeing him on the pitch until early 2025. This is really disappointing, but we shouldn't rush an ACL injury. However, more than a year out is a really long time. I hope he can fully recover and reach the level he had. But from past experiences, this is not easy. Nico Williams is linked to a transfer to Barça. The player himself only wants to go to Barça and now it is up to the board to make a good offer. Williams has a great relationship with the Barça players in the Spain squad, especially with Lamine Yamal, which is one of the reasons why he wants to join us. Hansi Flick wants Joao Felix to continue next season. The manager doesn't understand why Felix didn't play a bigger role last season and thinks he is a very valuable player. I believe important decisions should be made, especially due to the difficult financial situation of the club. So I think the club should choose between Nico Williams and Joao Felix and not buy both. This is a similar situation as Kimmich and Joao Cancelo, which I spoke about in my last video. Vitor Roque is already back from vacation and is training by himself. He wants to prove to Flick that Xavi made a big mistake by not playing him and wants to prove that he should stay next season. I can totally understand this from Vitor. He arrived at his dream club and if I was him I wouldn't want to leave after 6 months either. It is stated however that Atletico Madrid is interested in the youngster and they are thinking about a swap deal between him and Joao Felix. If you would be in Laporta's position, would you take this swap deal? Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Barça and football content. Have you done this? I'm waiting. Okay, great. Let's continue. Clement Lenglet. Yes, he is still a Barcelona player after his loan ended. The problem is, however, that no one wants him or can afford him. There are some offers from Saudi Arabia, but the player doesn't want to go there. If nothing is done about this situation, it is possible that we are stuck with him for next season. And his salary isn't low. The Dutch player Frimpong, who is currently playing for Bayern Leverkusen, is rumored to join Barça. Although the rumors aren't that strong. The player himself denied everything and personally I don't see the need to get him. We already have 2 quality players at right wing and if we buy Nico and or Joao Felix we would have way too many attackers. So this would be a no from me. Lastly, Barça is expected to sign with Nike as the club shirt sponsor again. The future of the club shirt sponsor has been undecided for the last months and things really went from Puma to their own brand back to Nike. Barça thought that Nike didn't pay them enough money compared to the other options such as Puma could offer the club. But Nike came in with another offer of about 120 million euros. This is a very big amount and I think taking this offer would be the best choice. Nike and Barça have been partners for so long and the two kind of go together. This of course is not a reason to not change sponsors to for example Puma, but I am happy that Nike came in with a better offer and that the club is continuing with them. So, that was all the latest Barça news. Who would you like to see wearing a Barça shirt next season? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one.